morning to each and everyone present here.
मैं हकदार नहीं तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। So long farewell to bid goodbye or farewell to a highly valued teacher.
How many generations of students we are actually catering to? That is what ma'am has.
And shaping the years of my life. I am thankful for being a part.
Marvelous teacher, as you have joined this institute in the year 1986, so it has been 35 years.
La 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 la. Birthday cake. Say without you the program is not that grand. So thank you, Father. We face end of the week, months and even years. But we keep on going because we know that there is a new day, new week, new month and even a new year is always waiting for us. When our one journey ends, another one begins. So, in the name of God, who is the most merciful and beneficent, hello and a glorious morning to each and everyone present here. We stretch a warm welcome to our program today, to our farewell. We are here to bid a farewell to our most loving teacher, Ma'am Bertha Saharia.
तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बनके मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Thank you so much for this beautiful patriotic dance. Now we have speech by Abhijit Paul of class 8B.
Good morning to the respected principal, all dear teachers and my fellow students. We have gathered here to celebrate our beloved Ma'am Saria's farewell party. Today we have gathered to bid goodbye or farewell to our highly valued teacher. However, this is an excellent opportunity to offer thanks for our loving teacher. She has been so much expertise and passed across some unique skills to the students. Though it is very sad for bidding goodbye to someone who has become more of a mother to us. We wish that she have a life full of good memories and happy moments with her whole family. She utilized her time and gave her full effort on implementing some of the good values that our students have today. Ma'am, you are the best teacher that the school has ever had. On the behalf of the whole school present here today, I want to say this, that your professionalism, your affectionate gestures, and the sweetness you have given to the whole school and the students are engraved on our hearts. And I want to thank you on the behalf of the whole school for all the service you have given us all the past years. Now I want to conclude this speech with a poem of gratitude towards you. Teachers come and go, but their memories are forever. The lessons that they teach are forgotten never. Teachers come and go every now and then, but great ones are remembered time and again. Farewell, Ma'am Saria. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhijit. Now we have a solo dance by a student of class 5B, Simran Burabuhan.
Five, four, three, two, one.
It's wonderful. Life is better when you dance. One famous saying, it is. So, why not we enjoy another dance by Simran Datta and Jasmine Seth of Okay, that program, maybe some problem is there. We are having a next year program of duet song by Barnabas Upadhyay and Simon.
Awesome and motivating song. We hope that you all will enjoy it, and do please forgive us if there is any mistake. Thank you.
कुछ पानी की हो आसास कोई अरमा हो जो खास कर आसा है हर कोशिशों में वार वार कर दरिया हो को वार वार आसा है तूफानों को छीन के मंजिलों को छीन ले आसा है खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशा है खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी ओ, उड़ जाए लेकी खुशी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से मुलाकात हो पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ आशा है खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशा है खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशा है उम्मीद आशा है उम्मीद आशा है गुजरे उसे रात रात वो ख्वाहिशों के बाद बात आशा है लेकर सूरज से आगाए जो अपने आग्रह आशा है कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा खुद खुश जाएंगे खुदा आशा है खिले दिल की उम्मीदें से दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशा है खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी ओ, Thank you.
Okay, it was really a beautiful song. Thanks Barnabas and Simon. To keep the party going on, we have now another dance by Yuktashri and her party.
ঢাক বাজা কাঁসর বাজা হলুদে আর শাঁখ বাজা বছর পরে আবার এলো মাঝে পুজো পুজো গন্ধ নিয়ে নতুন গানের ছন্দ নিয়ে শারদিয়ায় খুশিতে মন নাচে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা আরে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা ঢাক বাজা কাঁসর বাজা হলুদে আর শাঁখ বাজা বছর পরে আবার এলো মাঝে পুজো পুজো গন্ধ নিয়ে নতুন গানের ছন্দ নিয়ে শারদিয়ায় খুশিতে মন নাচে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা আরে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা বলো দুর্গা মাই কি বলো দুর্গা মাই কি আরে বলো দুর্গা মাই কি তুমি যে তোমার স্নেহ মায়ার নেই তুলনা সপ্তমীতে তোমারই আসনে দিলাম নতুন জামা নতুন শাড়ি ঘরে পুজো বারো আগে সবকিছুতে প্রেম জড়িয়ে আছে পুজো পুজো গন্ধ নিয়ে নতুন গানের ছন্দ নিয়ে শারদিয়ে খুশিতে মন নাচে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা আরে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা নবমীতে ভোগ প্রসাদ দশমীতে মন বিষাদ বিসর্জনের সময় কাছে পুজো পুজো গন্ধ নিয়ে নতুন গানের ছন্দ নিয়ে শারদিয়ায় খুশিতে মন নাচে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা আরে এলো 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 মা দুর্গা বলো দুর্গা মাই কি বলো দুর্গা মাই কি আরে বলো দুর্গা মাই কি
Thank you so much, Yukashi, for your dance. Next we have principal's speech. May I request our Father Principal Pius to come up stage for the speech.
A very good morning to all of you. We are all gathered here to give farewell to Miss Saharia. It is with a lot of sentiments of love and gratitude we have gathered around her. We come here to give thanks to her for all that she has done for the past many years. We fondly remember the wonderful work she had done in the past years in the school. We remember the contribution, the outstanding service ma'am had done for the generations of students who have gone through the school. And this is the sentiment we all have today as we are bidding farewell to you. In the past 6 years, we used to sit for nursery school admission interview, and the ma'am used to be invariably a part of the team. And I have noticed most of the parents who bring their students were her past people. And so that is why I just reminded how many generations of students we are actually catering to. That is what ma'am had done. If ma'am had served the school 35 years. Ma'am told me she had joined the school in 1986. I'm happy that Father Paulus also here. Father told me Father Paulus was here those days as administrator, I think. And Father was telling me when I was here, only she had joined here in the school. What I know is at that time I was studying in class 5. When she joined in some other school, some other place, and I was studying in class 5. That time she had joined. Since 35 years she has been serving this school. I should say ma'am is a fabulous teacher, an awesome person, and a wonderful person to deal with. And I have number of times when we meet each other, we only just laugh. We don't talk much. Both of us used to have a hearty laugh for what we don't know. So, but that is what we used to experience, and we used to communicate through our smile and laughter. Ma'am, we are going to miss you as a great teacher in the school. You have contributed so much for this institution. As Abhijit had mentioned in his speech, that you are more of a mother than a teacher. What you wanted to say, that a good teacher is also a good mother. Her feeling, a good teacher feeling is a motherly feeling. And that is what we have seen in you, in the service that you have done in the school. We are all grateful to you, and I'm sure as you take retirement, you will take this. It is not going to be easy for you, the retirement days. You were such an active teacher, and in the coming days, perhaps without meeting your children, without meeting your teachers, colleagues, is going to be rather difficult for you, I'm sure. But I'm sure you will take it gracefully, take it very well, and we will take this aspect of life as a part of our life, as part of our process of life. We all come, we all go, and this is finally the time has come for you, mom, to take retirement from this school. It is not that we wanted, you yourself have expressed, and you have realized it is my turn to give younger generation to take turn and give the knowledge that they were acquired. It is for me, it is time for me to take leave. That's what I wasn't able to remember all that. So, but I know from the many past people, from the many parents, the love and affection that I heard about you as a teacher will tell volumes about you. And I wish you all the very best, ma'am. And definitely we will accompany you with our prayers and support. May you have a very grateful retirement life. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Father, for your words of appreciation. Next, we have a sweet melody by Anushka Bora of class 6A.
Good morning, everyone. Today I came over here to sing a song for Miss Saharia.
It was really awesome. Thank you, Anushka, for presenting such a beautiful song. Next, we are presenting another group dance by Rinisha Pukon and her party.
Thank you. পড়ি থাকে পুরু পুরু কেন রহন ঘড়ি দিলি কলি যাবো তোরা যদি ভাই সাগর দুঃসু ও দেখা তুরু তুরু ও দেখা তুরু তুরু আমার নাচনি নাচি আছে ককাল খাবনা এই ককাল খাবনা আমার নাচনি নাচি আছে ককাল খাবনা এই ককাল খাবনা
Wow, it was strong.
शादा जागे दुहिने खाए ना सोच के दिलों में चुप में कोई 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 गाने में चुप में कोई 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 गाने में बहुत अच्छा हुए
Yo, give me something to dance to.
Holy Cross Girls. Next, we have another dance by Simran Datta and Jasmine Sheikh of class 7A.
पूरे मन से बजैया नंदलाला कन्हैया पूरे मन से बजैया नंदलाला कन्हैया पूरे मन से बजैया नंदलाला कन्हैया मोहे मोहे ऐसे नहीं चढ़ा सावरे सुन सुन से नहीं खेला दावरे जाके श्रोता से कह दूंगी रे कान्हा सो जा जरा ओ कान्हा सो जा जरा लुक छुप के तकियों ना मोही कान्हा सो जा जरा कान्हा सो जा जरा नैना से ना छूना मोही कान्हा सो जा जरा कान्हा सो जा जरा कान्हा सो जा जरा कोकिलों के पीछे खिड़कों में से दिन पर चिपक गए बाग तेरे सांस जरा रे रुक जा कान्हा थम जा मान भी जा पगले कल भी होंगे ये रंग रलियां कल फिर आना पूरे छलियां डूबा ये दिन चल सो जा कान्हा सो जा सदा कान्हा सो जा जरा कान्हा सो जा सदा कान्हा सो जा जरा सुनी जो तेरी मुरली चली रे चढ़ पिया मुझे वो जुलमी गाँव तेरे गीत लेने तेरे हो गए चढ़ गए तेरी You must be मारे गए मोरे कैसे छोड़ा बैल के पग बजे ऐसे है ये सारा दोष मेरा कान्हा सो जा सदा कान्हा सो जा जरा कान्हा सो जा सदा कान्हा सो जा जरा पूरे मन से बजैया नंदलाला कन्हैया पूरे मन से बजैया नंदलाला कन्हैया मदना मधुसूदना मनोहरा मदना मधुसूदना
Simran Datta. dance. Thank you so much.
We are giving our love and gratitude to our one of the dearest teacher, Bhattacharya. When we remember Bhattacharya, when we mention her name, what comes in our mind? First, smile. The word smile comes in our mind. Because for the last 23 years, since I came here and since I was with her, I always used to see, wherever we see, her smiling face. So I would say she shared her love and smile to all of us, which is very inspiring for all of us. That is your one of the greatest, I would say, quality, the most valuable quality you have, because a small smile can change the world. So she always used to smile every now and then, wherever we meet, outside or inside the school. So that is always I have to love and I have to remember her smile. Today, she has left, she is going to leave the school. Of course, she has got retirement. But this is not the end. All of us also one day we also must retire. We cannot always stick to a particular activity. So of course we have to change sometimes. We have to take rest. So she has served a lot. 35 years mentioned, or principal mentioned that 35 years is a very long, half of our life. She has served for the school, for the children. So I think that is a very great job. And now she must also take rest to look after, her family, her grandchildren are there. So it is required sometimes in our life. But I do hope that means after retiring, you will spend your time happily, healthily, and I would like to also mention, taking this chance, Saria, Jyotish Saria also once a teacher here. I think most of you do not know. So he was also serving in this school. Then after that he got a job 10 years. So Sar Kakuti and all are his student only. Okay, many those students were taught by Sar. Sar was also fantastic teacher. I heard. I could not see any time, but I heard that. So both of them, both husband and wife, are doing very good job. The profession, teacher's profession, both of us, serving human life, young children for tomorrow. So this is, again, once more, I am very proud of both of you, Miss and Sir. So this is what I would say about you. You may be far from us in this school, especially campus, but you are never far from our hearts. Okay? You got retirement from this school, but you never retired from our hearts. We always love you, Miss. And I will always remember your smile. Because thank you once more, and wish you all the best for your future life. Stay healthy, stay happy. And at the end, I would like to sing one song for Miss. चलते चलते मेरे ये याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। रोते हंसते बस यूं ही तुम गुनगुनाते रहना। कभी अलविदा खो जाएंगे इन्हीं बहारों के आंचल में थकते सो जाएंगे सपनों को फिर भी तुम यूं ही सजाते रहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना राहों में दिल भर बिछड़ जाए कहीं हम अगर और लगे तुम्हें जीवन की ये डगर बिछ राहों में दिल भर बिछड़ जाए कहीं हम अगर और सुनी सी लगे तुम्हें जीवन की ये डगर हम आएंगे तुम यूं ही बुलाते रहना तो कभी अलविदा ना कहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना कभी अलविदा ना कहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना रोते हंसते बस यूं ही तुम गुनगुनाते रहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना Thank you, Mr. West. Thank you. Love you.
Thank you so much, Sanjita, for the melody. Hope, Miss Saharia, आप हमें कभी भी अलविदा नहीं कहोगी.
So with this, I would like to call some teachers. We are going to give a small token as a mark of love to Madam Saria. So please, Madam. So please, some teachers. Sir.
May I request Ma'am Saharia, please say a few words. I'd like to call up on stage Miss Jacinta, Miss Lucy, and Miss Jyoti. Please come up stage. principal for the science, for the Shanti lab, for the Clarios, for the Paulos, vice principal, Mr. Jennifer, my dearest teachers and loving students. Being here with you all today is making me a bit nervous, though I have been here for more than half of my life. Words don't come easy to me when it comes to speak on an occasion like this. I do not know where to begin and with what to begin. This has been my second home, actually my first. And you do not have any beginnings and endings of a home. It's a feeling. It's your whole life. I joined this school in the year 1986. Me and my husband were newly married and had just our son then. There was no proper residence back then for us, and we started our journey staying in a tiny little corner of the convent. That's where we started our journey in this place, and then till now there has been no turning back. Like I mentioned earlier, this is my home. I have spent more time in here in the school than I have in the other homes. And this is not just for me, my husband, my son, my daughter feel the same. My husband was a teacher here before joining the higher secondary school. My son learned to take his first steps here, and now we have his daughter studying here. But today is because of you, and we shall always remain grateful to you forever. It feels that I just started teaching here the other year, and now it is time for me to leave. There comes a time in life when we need to rest a little, and now it is mine. Memories shall always haunt me, and I prefer it that way. I lived a very beautiful and happy life here, and now it is time to thank each and everyone who contributed to the happiness. There are plenty of things in life to be thankful about, and for me, this shall remain one of the most precious one always. Along with my own children and granddaughter, I have seen so many other children grow up in this place, and I feel blessed I could be a part of this journey. I consider myself lucky. I got to stay here for all these years amongst all of your love and comfort. And now, though saying goodbyes are hard, but it must be done. I wish everyone plenty of happiness and love along with that. If I have ever hurt anyone, knowingly or unknowingly, please do forgive me. My intentions were not to hurt anyone. I will always be available for all of you. Please be in touch. I will need you in my journey from here now on to, as you have been my closest friends. Father Tyus, thank you once again for everything and for always being so kind. Please remember me in all of your prayers. Thank you once again to all for supporting and shaping the years of my life. I am thankful for being a part of this institution. This beautiful experience is priceless. I will remain thankful to this institution for making me who I am today. Thank you very much, dear students. Without you, this day would not have been so memorable for me. Once again, thank you, everyone. I miss you all. Thank you. We are grateful, Ma'am Saharia, for your part in our journey.
Hello. A very good afternoon, everyone. It really gives me immense pleasure to see you, ma'am. Today we have gathered here to share our bittersweet goodbye to you, ma'am. Ma'am, you are a fabulous and marvelous teacher. As you have joined this institute in the year 1986, so it has been 35 years with your continuous service you have rendered in the institute. There's a saying, a great institute is not measured by wages and the working condition. It is measured by the relationship and the attitude and the feelings. And this relationships really feels great and happy and pleasureful. It really gives me a great joy to congratulate you for your 35 years of celestial works with cooperation, and I'm wishing you very happy, relaxing and satisfying retirement. I'm sure that we all respect, remembers, and the attributes that you have met will ever remember in our heart. Your experience and knowledge and the positive attribute that you have imparted to our students set a great example for all of us, and it really makes us inspired to follow the same path. Today we have gathered here today, so it really so painful to say you goodbye to someone who is not only a teacher of this institute. He is one of our family member. Today it is not our day. Today we are here to display our sincere gratitude for the service that you have contributed to this institute and the society. It's been more than 3 decades you have been inspiring in students. So you set a great example for all of us. Your exceptional properties encourage us in every moment. Ma'am, we'll really miss you. Really, I really remember the incident in our Manali trips. It was so memorable. Smile is one of the most thing I like, that capture every moment, Manali, every occasion here, so that at least I could create the memories and keep in our heart. Because time and tide wait for none. I believe that we have technology, so we should make a best of it. So I try to restore the memories because I know one day everything will forget. Those memories, those clips will really recall us our past incidents. That's things what I feel. I'm really crazy that I said to say goodbye. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Adi, for your words. Now we have a song.
Respected ma'am, sir, my dear colleagues and my dear students. So today I want to dedicate this song especially to my dear ma'am. एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल। एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल। दूजे के होठों को देकर अपने गीत, कोई निशानी छोड़ फिर दुनिया से डोल। एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएगा प्यारे तेरे बोल। ला 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 ला। अनहोनी पद में लाखे राख बिछाए, होनी को फिर भी बिछड़ा यार मिलाए। अनहोनी पद में काटे लाख बिछाए, होनी को फिर भी बिछड़ा यार मिलाए। ये बिरहा ये दूरी दो पल की मजबूरी, फिर कोई दिल वाला काहे को घबराए। तड़प बम मिले जो जाती है देकर इतनी गीत, कोई निशानी छोड़ फिर दुनिया से डोल। एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएगा प्यारे तेरे बोल। ला 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 ला
No.
So long, farewell, I'll be just saying goodbye. I leave and heave a sigh and say goodbye. I'm glad to go. I cannot tell a lie. I flit, I float, I flee, I fly. The sun has gone to bed, and so must I. So long, farewell. I'll be just saying goodbye,
It was wonderful. Thank you. Now I would like to call up on stage Sister Jennifer for vote of thanks.
Good afternoon to everybody. Before I could say a thank you, I just want to say a quote of Nicholas. Ideal teachers are those who use themselves as bridges over which they invite their students to cross. Then, having facilitated their crossing, joyfully collapse, encouraging them to create bridges of their own. So, as we come to the end of this program, this is what I see all about you, dear Ma'am Saharia. I really feel I am so privileged that I could spend some time to be part of your life journey. Thank you so much, ma'am. And the days may be few, but I have really experienced her motherly concern, care. As Father said, she always has a pleasant smile, which makes everybody to feel at home. So coming to the day, I really take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you. The facilitated this building, if you would have seen yesterday morning, even I myself cannot think over. It is Kusha who arranged us beautiful place to sit and enjoy this program. So I am very owed to Kusha who created this platform for each one of us to enjoy this program. Coming to the day, I also very grateful to Father Tyus. He was time to time inquiring about the program, and he is a man of systematic, pre-planned and foreseeing things. He planned and handed over, and I too felt each and every one of you were part of this program, and I can say without you the program is not that grand. So thank you Father Tyus for planning over this program. Also Father Shantila, who was always, we can say he was always inquiring in the absence of Father Tyus. So thank you fathers, thank you Paulus for your very presence amidst us. Thank you dear teachers, it is you who organized and made it this program a memorable one. I hope so ma'am, it is really a memorable one. So thank you teachers, and it's all my dear loving children. You know, I love you so much. You know, though I am very strict, but you could oblige to do all the programs. Thank you so much, one and all. And not last but not the least, thank you John Bhaiya for everything, patiently arranging with the teachers. And with me also, Sir Samma. You know, I can say he's my own brother, like each and everything I have to call Sir Samma. So thank you, Sir Samma. Also, I would like to say a beautiful letter. The credit goes to our brothers, Brother Eliasar and Brother Charles. As soon as I said they were ready, they said, Sister, you bring, we will
cut and give you. So it is their handiwork. So it is not a single person can make this day. Each and every one of you are part of this day. Thank you. And before I could conclude, we have a grand agape. We shall enjoy after this program. Thank you, one and all. Students, we have arranged a refreshment for you. You can get it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sister. But before I jump, I'd like to call upon stage Sir Amit for a special program to make this farewell party a memorable one.
Sorry, I forgot to thank Miss Usha ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was really fantastic. Thank you.
So I request every teacher to join the dance also. Everyone.
Miss Kakule is asking one more. Okay. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my husband, one for my friend. But then I forgot actually. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Fell down and kissed down, and Jill came tumbling out. Thank you.
Actually,